Yo, what's up, y'all? Back with another video on Aliens Recon, because my old pan still needs to be rethreaded. For all y'all wondering about when it's gonna be done, it'll probably be fixed. Well, I'm gonna take it to get fixed probably like May 21st or May 22nd, sometime around then, like in the May 20th. But like I said yesterday, I'm trading my wheels and tires. So yeah, y'all be ready for that. But yeah, the 420 will be back for the summer, hopefully, if they're able to rethread it. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna have to order a whole new bottom end. Probably just gonna buy a whole nother four-wheeler before I get it fixed, because I don't have to wait, make y'all wait even longer. So I'd rather just buy another four-wheeler before, might save money. But as of now, we might be able to have it back, which y'all say and pray, y'all pray that they can rethread it. I was trying to creep through it in a high gear. That ain't gonna work. Alright, we gotta put it in first. And just creep. Look at the tire spinning. Gosh, this stuff's nasty. It's all dried out, so it's nothing but soupy mud. But the tire just spins in. I do kind of enjoy the creek being shallow. I'm gonna be honest, like, sure, I love going deep, but this is probably my favorite time to ride in it a year, because literally everybody can ride in it. Me, Alien, anyone who don't have a snorkel, and it's when it's the muddiest, so the tires spin more. And to me, that's the most fun. Actually, I don't know, I do love water riding. But there's like still shallow spots and deep spots. That also does make it fun. Like down there stays brack deep most of the year unless it gets real low. Same thing with over there, it always stays pretty deep. That clay right there, the four-wheeler don't like it. If my dad's back's not hurting still because he threw out his back again. He's always had back problems, so I'm gonna see if we can go turkey hunting in the morning. If he can, I might just go. Even though I can't call worth the crap, I'm just gonna try my best. We ain't making it through this way. little four-wheelers like this are fun. Honestly, maybe instead of a four-wheeler, we might, if they fail to rethread the 420, I might just get a dirt bike. If y'all want to see content like that, because I've been wanting one. But I'd love to have another four-wheeler. It all depends on what I can find or what's at the dealership. But I'm not really too worried about it because I have faith in the 420 coming back. They're going to rethread the bolt to a bigger size. And we should be back riding. I have everything fixed. All I got to do is when they rethread it, I put oil in it. I already got the new oil filter ready and all that. Then I just got to reseal the entire air box. Air filter, all that's already in it. It's already drained. Then put Deuce's thing back on. And before I put the new tires on, I think I'm just gonna let it sit like jacked up, like on a jack, because I'm gonna order rear spacers for the rear. Since I'm getting bigger tires, I want it to be like have it stick out equal length in the front and back. Then I'm gonna order rock lights just because I kind of want to try them. Hopefully they don't mess up in water and start because of my four-wheeler short out, because if they do, I'll take them off. But I've heard these ones are completely waterproof, so I'm ready to try them. And then I'm ordering spike lug nuts because I think that'll look sick, just to be kind of different. So yeah, I gotta order new lug nuts. And I think y'all are gonna like the new setup. Y'all ought to. I think it's gonna make some good content, especially for this summer. We ain't got much hope leaning it that way. Yeah, we don't got much hope in it back across this way either. I'm gonna back it up. If that'll work. Alright, well I'm just trying to pick the back up. That's my only other best bet. Push it more to this side so I can lean it over here now. Alright, see what I mean? This mount stays coming loose. I might just start wearing a hat with this mount. The bottom's kind of thick. That or the tire just grabs a bunch of it. I think it's the second option. I think the tire just grabs a bunch of it. Hold up, y'all, I'm gonna tighten this mount. I've had this mount for like the whole time I've been doing YouTube, so that's probably why it's worn out. I'm gonna lean it back to this side. All this mud's mostly dried up. Yeah, pretty much. Up beside the lawnmower. Well, y'all, peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all want to see videos with the Pelican, I'm willing to make them. I gotta get new pellets, because the ones I got are sorry and they ain't good. They're flathead ones and they don't pattern good at all. So yeah, peace out.